To your last video of the week, second grade, Unit 2, Lesson 19, Thursday, October 17th. Today, you are solving two-digit addition subtraction problems with regrouping using a strategy that makes sense to them. We are mixing it up a little bit today in the sense that kids really get to show what they know, and they might encounter some problems that are missing information. So when we look at our first page right here, it's almost exactly the same as the day before, except today it's just constant mixed practice. So today's lesson, the skill that you really want to drive home is, first, did you identify your knowns and unknowns? Based on your knowns and unknowns, based on your known values, how can you craft your number bond? Then, based on your number bond, which equation helps you solve addition or subtraction? So here, how did you represent and solve? I represented the whole with sticks and dots. This is all solving. None of this is thinking about the work that we did yesterday, which is the focus of yesterday was on like the actual making sense of what the problem is about. Where did you start and why? This is all the solving. Whereas the bulk of your work, both on Wednesday and Thursday, needs to actually be in the representing and making sense of the problem. So this is where these key points are very kitschy, but when the whole is missing, we combine the parts to find the whole. When the part is missing, we subtract the part. I really think, and I'm not gonna, this is your same T-type from the day before, solving an addition subtraction problems with or without missing values by identifying part, whole. Identify my knowns and unknowns, represent in a number bond with labels. Part, whole. Today is the same, based on the equation, based on the number bond, craft an equation, solve with the strategy, check my work. Today is exactly the same. There's nothing different between lesson 18 and 19, apart from the fact that you are getting into, there's a lot more regrouping in this day, and you really have to be ensuring at this point that your kiddos can make sense of this. So in this equation, I'm first identifying my knowns and unknowns. I know that this is a whole because it comes before the subtraction symbol. I know this is a part, so I know this is a part. They have to make the number bonds today. So giant number bonds, whole, part, 82, 46. So then I create my equation that makes sense. 82 minus 46 equals my part, whole, part. Every problem today, you have to collect the data. 1, do they have part, whole labeled? 2, can they put those numbers into a number bond? 3, from the number bond, can they accurately create an equation that allows them to solve? And 4, can your kids actually use sticks and dots, expand notation, and number lines to solve?